Our defense forces risk their lives to manage our safety. Our series, Defend Your Money, will help them manage their money. And joining me to answer their questions is well-known certified financial planner, Gajendra Kothari. Here's a question coming in from Vadodara in Gujarat. There are many schemes that are for investment, such as investing into teak plantation, and many people have lost money in such investments. What is the government regulation to control these investments, and how can we verify the authenticity of a person before investing my hard-earned money? I think a simple answer is do not invest in such schemes. I know of so many defense officers who've lost money going to some of these finance schemes or plantation companies, etc., etc. I guess it's the temptation, the greed, the desire that somebody is giving me astronomical returns. Doesn't happen in the real world, isn't it?
True. Unfortunately, this is happening across India. And many of these defense officers come from smaller parts of country all across. More so in smaller towns and villages, these flourish like anything because there are hardly any regulators around there. The regulations is not very strict. Enforcement is not very vigilant out there. So the simple answer is that before buying any such product, the best way today, at least, is internet. Just go out and search on internet that, what if I invest in these kind of things, what are the implications? And today you have a lot of material around which is that don't go for these kind of products. So that's the first line of defense, you can consult. But otherwise, if something is too good to be true, it isn't true, So you should check out with the person that what are the credentials. Is this registered by SEBI or any regulator? So SEBI says that if any of such schemes are there, it has to be registered under the collective investment scheme. And if it is not, then it is not regulated, which means tomorrow there is no guarantee that the capital will be paid out or the interest will be paid out. So you should check the credentials of the scheme, you should check who is selling and is he a registered intermediary or not. So if these questions you don't get the answers, then you should be pretty much doubtful. Having said that, none of these schemes today in metro cities it's very difficult to kind of sell these schemes because SEBI is now coming out with lots of advertisements, a lot of material on this that please don't consult these kind of unsolicited advisors. So you should only deal with somebody who is trusted and who has been there for long and whose credentials can be checked. So that's the best way to go around for investment.
I do hope that answers your question. Thank you very much for taking care of all of us, and I do hope you will also take care of your money going forward. And thank you very much, Gajendra, for coming by and answering questions on Defend Your Money. Thank you.
The pleasure is mine, Vivek.
An investor awareness initiative by SBI Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.